welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today I will be doing yet another affordable Amazon wig review for you guys. And this company actually hit me up a little bit ago on Instagram and asked me to review this wig for them. So of course here it is. So this is the straight human hair bob wig with bangs. This is 100% Brazilian human hair, and this unit is actually 10 inches. Now granted, when I first agreed to do 10 inches, I was a little bit scared because 10 inches sounds crazy short. I don't know, like for some reason to me it just sounds really short, but I actually really do like the length of the hair. This company, I apologize in advance, I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it, so I'm basically just gonna leave like a like basically how you spell it on the screen so you guys can look it up for yourselves. And of course I'm going to be leaving a direct link down below to exactly the wig that I had got from them if you guys wanted to pick this wig up. So like I briefly mentioned before, it is 10 inches, and as of now this wig is actually $33.74, which is actually really good,
especially considering the fact that this is human hair.
Like guys, like I'm used to paying like $35 basically for a synthetic unit that looks like this. So the fact that this is human hair is just amazing to me. Like if you guys, even if you wanted to like, because like this hair gives me like Cleopatra type vibes, you know what I mean? So like even if you wanted to just get a cheap wig to like wear for Halloween or something like that, or like a costume party or something, you would still be able to rewear this wig. Like this ain't no cheap synthetica, okay? And before anybody asks, yes, I did run my flat iron through this hair after after of course I washed it and blow dried it and stuff like that. And I don't like, to me at least, in my opinion, this is definitely not like a human hair mix or anything like that. But this is like 100% human hair. Like there's no random melted spots, there's no tingling, there's no shedding, there was no weird like burnt smell or nothing like that. I didn't have like any of those weird streaks on your flat iron. Like y'all know, especially the people that wear synthetic wigs here and there and straighten them, you all know like the little random like streaks you'll see in your flat iron from flat iron synthetic hair. But like I said before, this hair is 100% human, and the fact that it's so cheap is definitely a win-win in my opinion. So I'm like, okay. I will say as well, I really didn't do anything with the bangs. The bangs pretty much came like this, which I'm really happy about, because at first I thought they were gonna be too thick, but I'm happy with the way they look, because like this is the type of look I like. Like it's full, but at the same time it's not like thicky thick, if that makes sense, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is definitely giving me like Cleopatra type vibes, and I feel like my eyeshadow look just turned this whole wig up a notch. Like I feel cute, you know what I mean? I will say I have been wearing this hair for a couple hours. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I have been wearing this hair for a couple hours, so I'll probably try to jump on here. I would say maybe like within like 2 weeks of me wearing this hair, like 2 weeks worth of me wearing this hair. I will say I can definitely see myself wearing this hair here and there. I don't like, to me this wig legit reminds me of my aunt. Like y'all don't understand, my aunt Felicia, shout out to you. But like I feel like this is like her go-to hairstyle, like bangs with like a cute bob or whatever. Like I definitely feel like my aunt right now. Like that's crazy. And mind you, like in my friend group I'm known as like the bougie one, I guess, and my aunt is like the queen of being bougie. So like I'm really giving like auntie vibes high key right now, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, basically when it comes to tingling and shedding, the shedding is extremely minimum, and I will say also the tingling is basically non-existent, to be completely honest with you guys. Like I can run my fingers through this hair with absolutely no problem. The hair again is very soft. It didn't come with any weird smell or nothing like that. So honestly, so far so good. I really don't have any complaints when it comes to this hair at all. I will say this is definitely, if you want like a really cute affordable bob wig, I would definitely check out this company, because guys, like for basically $34, you really can't beat this. Like you really can't. Like again, I'm still running my fingers through it, no knots, no tangles, and again the hair just feels really soft. Like I'm really impressed. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw the price I was like, are you guys really selling it for this cheap? But okay, like I'll try it out, like why not, you know? But yeah, so I'm super happy. I have to pull it down a little bit, I don't know, but I'm super happy when it comes to my purchase. It was funny because I was kind of going back and forth on whether or not I was gonna do my brows, but I'm like, you know, let me just do my eyebrows, so if I don't, I feel like the rest of my makeup's just gonna be off. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I mean, again, I haven't been wearing the unit for a crazy long amount of time, so I can't really go too in depth for it. But I will say again, tangling to shedding, absolute minimum, like minimum. Like the tangling is basically at a freaking 0, which is crazy to me. But then again, this unit is straight and it is short. I do really like how full it is as well. Like there's no like awkward bald spots or nothing like that at all. Like I still do have hair kind of in the back, if you guys can see that. But yeah, other than that, I really don't have any complaints. I'm honestly confused why this company doesn't have like more reviews or more orders, to be honest, just because again, like this wig is good. Like I personally don't have any issues with it, and honestly I don't feel like this is gonna be one of those wigs that's gonna turn into crap in like a week, just because again, like it's Brazilian straight hair and it's already short, and again, like it cooperated with me thus far for me taking it out the box, washing it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this is like a really quick one, but again, there's really nothing much I can say about this unit here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below, and I will see you in my next one.